Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end with a story. During World War II, the Allied powers had a huge problem with their bombers being shot down. So what they decided to do is they decided to armor the planes. But this is a balancing act because the more armor you put on a plane, the heavier it is, the slower it goes, the less distance it can travel. So you can't just blanket cover the entire plane with armor. They had to be strategic on where they placed it. So what they did is they rounded up all the planes that had returned from battle and they graphed where it had been shot. And they decided to put armor where the most bullets were. And they did this, they sent the planes out, and they realized the results actually got worse. So what did they miss? Well, in fact, as counterintuitive as it seems, the place you should have put the armor is where there were no bullet holes. Because had a plane been shot in the engine or the cockpit, it doesn't return home. This is called survivorship bias because the survivors are the ones who tell the story, give the data. And I represent to you, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, this is exactly what's happened in this case. This trucking company is trying to give you survivorship bias. They're trying to say our client didn't react in the specified or appropriate amount of time, when their expert said their reaction time was well within the normal of what to expect from an average driver. They're trying to tell you that the tread on our client's tires was defunct, when their expert said it realistically had at least between 20 and 25,000 more miles before that tread was considered dangerous. These are all things you come back from. These are all things that are normal. Things that you don't come back from is putting an untrained commercial driver behind the wheel of an 80,000 pound truck. Putting an untrained driver, giving him a rush job, making him tired. And getting somebody who's untrained, who's tired, and rushed, pressure to complete the job within a certain amount of time. Those are mistakes you don't come back from, and this is a mistake that Ms. Smith did not come back from.